What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to get the watch and chains in Shadow 1. So what we need to do, we need to open our phone and we need to go to this location over here next to the real estate office. So once you are there, you can go inside at the Blue Balls boutique and you can talk to Herbert, and there you can buy a variety of items. So what we can do is scroll a little bit down and there you will see the chains and also the watches. So you can buy a watch and a chain for 10k. The silver watch and the silver chain are a little bit cheaper, but you can purchase them once you have purchased them. And what you can do, you can also wear them even. So that is very nice if you play with friends or you want to brag a little bit with your money, then you can buy those watches and chains to show off. And that is how you get the watch and chains in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!